Day weekend. Yep, we are coming right up to that. It's hard to believe. Today is the 14th of June, 2024, 8:15 a.m. Central Time. And as you can see, looking at the markets, a down day in all the stock indices. I was jumping up and down this morning because I had a target into the 206 area in the Russell. It went there. I'm also looking at grains a little bit lower today. You know, it's an interesting time in the market. You drop down as low as 51. You're still at 54. We know there's hot weather coming through the Midwest. There's going to be hot weather out east. Wait till you see what you're about to get. It'll be in the 90s through a good part of next week for you, all the way from basically New York all the way down to Atlanta. And, of course, those rains don't stop. As you and I are taking a look at the metal markets, a little bit of a rebound in the gold, $28. Might be more than a little bit. It's a nice rebound. Silver market, a little bit, 20 cents. Not going anywhere in copper. Still has the bearish embedded reading. And platinum market went down into all the key moving averages, and it seems to be trying to hold there. Dollar index up against just about all the currency markets, as you can see. Now, there is news today in the Bank of Japan, and before I get to any of that, as I said, it's Father's Day. So our sale kicks off, and very simply, let me just explain this. If you wanted to get our morning future subscriber video, it's now $3.98 for 30 days. Guys, it costs you more for a cup of coffee. Go to your Starbucks than that. You can get the Spider ETF for $4.48 and the combo for $8.45. It's good for 30 days when you sign up. You go to Epstein.com. You can move your cursor up here. It ends the sale June 18th, so right after Father's Day. This is one way you get to look and see the work that I'm always talking about at almost a free price, all right? And you will get the QT mobile app. You will get notifications from me every time they come out. Special reports will be included in this as well. So you get everything there. Pretty neat deal. Happy Father's Day. So as I was saying, we have some information today. We had the import prices come out, and they were down 0.4, and you can see they were expected flat. So this is another good piece of information on inflation. Export, we didn't export inflation. Prior month they were up 0.5%, now they're down 0.6, and the import prices for petroleum is down. We're to get June consumer sentiment numbers around 9 o'clock today. And in the Bank of Japan, another disappointing meeting. They kept the rates unchanged. They're going to keep their bond buying program right here at the 6 trillion yen per month right now. They're going to outline details in July of the tapering plan for their bonds purchases, and they are signaling there's a chance of a rate hike in July. So what did the market do? It sells off, all right? They're not supporting the yen yet, so the market takes a look at that and says, you know something? We'll challenge you, and that's just what it did, and the yen is down another 19. And this is a bounce. It got down to 63.20. It was down 50 points, so this keeps coming down on that market. So when you look at today, interesting day, a short-term top and certainly in place, looks like in the Dow and the Russell. The strong markets have been, as you already know, the S&P and the NASDAQ, and they're even giving up something today. So interesting week, CPI, PPI, and all these neat numbers. I'm Ira Epstein. I'll see you this weekend as I put out your weekend edition with all the charts. And remember, you have yourself a good one and take advantage of the sale. You can move your cursor up here. You'll see an icon, or IraEpstein.com. Go to the word research. It's all waiting for you there. I'm Ira. You take care.